and welcome back to this new puzzle. Today we are going to talk about a strategy that I have used on the Australian dollar with Japanese yen. So I'm going to break down the chart on the weekly time frame as beginning. And what is very interesting in this time frame is that we have some very strong bearish candles here. These are very nice pin bar patterns, and the hammer one, an inverted hammer. Look at how the price was developed also during the previous time. So when this candle was appeared during the bullish movement, we can see that price made a bearish wave after that. So we are on the weekly time frame and we need to take the time in consideration. The same thing price did during the next week. Look at this candle here, the next pin bar candle that was completed on the weekly time frame again. So this is very nice candle. We had the previous one and price created the same bearish movement. This is the first data that I'm collecting right now. However, we need to remember that as long as we are not market makers, all of this data will not work all of the time, because at this moment in this candle we can see that price moved higher after this candle was created, so it didn't came lower at all. We can see the bullish movement, and that is why we need to be careful and to use stop losses despite the good patterns that we see. So let's go and collect some other data, what is actually happening right now. I'm going to check out the left side of the structure, and it looks very beautiful because we can see some very nice candles that are on the left side of the pattern of the structure, and this is showing that we have a very strong resistance area that is coming from the left side. This resistance area is showing to us that the buyers and the sellers are well positioned in this zone. So let's make it bigger and let's extend it. And we will see that the price is actually reacting in that zone. So the first retest was very nice, as we can see. The second retest was very good as well. And what do we have here is the price came very close to the same zone. Look at also the previous candle here, so it was approximately in the same area, and price is showing very good price reaction. It looks a decent setup, as we can see, so we can have the same chance here. Price can make another bearish movement. So let's move on the other time frame, on the daily time frame. If we are going to look at here in this time frame, we can see these two candles, a bullish candle and a bearish candle that evaluated the previous one, and price created the same thing close to the resistance area. On the other side, what do we have here on the actual pattern is that we have all of this combination of candles. So it is a bunch of candles here, bearish and bullish ones, but the dominance is from the bearish candle. Look at how the bearish candle is pushing everything down. So after we are doing this candle analysis, I'm going to move on a lower time frame, and on the lower time frame we can see also a very nice bearish harmonic pattern. So this is a very nice movement here. Price created this type of pattern, The price reaction is very good as well, as we can see. And what we are expecting from this moment is that even if the price is going to make any small bullish movement, it should continue moving lower. So this is the basic thing that I'm looking at for our pattern. What I'm expecting on the 4-hour time frame, I'm expecting that probably the price should test also the base of this structure. All of this area can be tested if price will begin the bearish movement from this point, and this is getting very interesting right now. Only from this movement we can see a minimum of 270 pips. This trade was initiated from the top of the pattern, so all of this is about 370 pips as movement. It looks a very good setup, so we don't have to miss it. I have shared also on the TradingView profile. It was shared 6 days ago. As we can see, price was close to the reversal area here. If I'm going to press the run button, you will see the price made a movement. It was a 160 pips movement. We can see a correction and price can continue moving lower from that point. I'm expecting a very big movement, as you can see. So just follow the setup. The price is developing very well for the time being. We just need to be patient, because in the same way that price spend time to move up, it will spend time to come down again. We don't have to forget the fact that we are in a bullish trend overall. So considering the trend, the price will need some time before it will come down again. If you want to target a lower part for the targets, this area here is very dense, and this is showing that the buyers and the sellers are well positioned again in this area. And what we can do is that we can target the top of this pattern, or probably also the bottom. So both of these are very good targets as well. We don't have to be strict with the targets, because every time we close profits is a good thing. Here we have also another good structure area, so we can close profits also here at 93.40. The overall movement from top to bottom, this is a very nice movement. Overall it should be 650 pips, so it is a very good movement. So don't miss this trading opportunity on Australian dollar and Japanese yen. Hope you guys enjoyed this video analysis. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button for more future contents. Thank you. Bye bye.